I am going to show you how to force portraits and side label on the edge or gutter of a page. Select the side label template. Set the column to 1 for this example. Expand the label section and ensure that edge is selected for the side label position. Expand the margin position and set an edge margin. For 8.5 width page, you can set the margin to around 3 inches. Fine-tune this value depending on the width of your page or on the portrait size you want to get. Click Update Layout. As you can see, you now have the result you want. If you want to force on the gutter, then the side label position should be set to gutter, and in the margin, set the gutter to 3. Ensure that the edge is back to 0. Click Update Layout. Voila.